Hi everyone, I hope that all of you are fine and doing well. I am going to discuss how to revise cost and management accounting subject just before your final exam. Just spend 20 minutes watching this video, and I am sure if you apply the tips in this video, you will score much better in your exam. Get ready, a book and pen and note down what you will say. Let us start. How many hours of preparation is required for costing? Let us assume we have 25 effective hours to prepare for the next exam. Remember, the question paper is designed to cover entire syllabus, not just for few chapters. So spread out your revision and try to cover all the topics on the last day. Part 2, plan of action. Part 2, plan of action. Sir, allocation of hours. For revision of latest RTPs and MTPs allocated to 2 hours, sir. Hours allocated 2 hours. For revision of problems, time allocated 21 hours. For revision of the theory, time allocated 2 hours. While practicing questions, keep solutions book or notes near. If you are stuck on any hard question or tough question, don't waste your time in thinking for more than 5 minutes. It's very, very important. First, prepare the following areas thoroughly as they are very important. Number 1, if fast track material is provided, then first prepare the material. First prepare that material, which helps in quick revision of the entire subject. That is very useful. RTP related to the attempt that you are going to write just within 30 minutes. So, after that, thoroughly prepare the 2 sets of MTP related to the attempt that you are going to write. First, priority models. These are the most important as they are repeated in previous attempts. Prepare all the problems given under these models. Second, priority models. Till now, no question is asked in these models, but there are some chances to ask. So prepare the last 2 problems under the below stated models. Prepare the last 2 problems under the below stated models. Third, priority models. These are unimportant models, but still prepare the last problem under each of these models. Order of preparation. First, prepare first priority items in all the chapters. After that, prepare second priority items in all the chapters. After that, prepare third priority items in all the chapters. Okay. So, this is very useful, sir. Actually, a few days back, our director, Prakash sir, called me and shared this innovative idea of day before exam strategy. So we had discussed about every topic in 3-4 sittings to prepare this strategy. So important points suggested by Prakash sir. So it helps you a lot. Please listen carefully. Right. So part A, problematic chapter. Chapter name cost sheet, sir. Time allocated 1.5 hour. All problems, please do it, sir, with ICAI references. It's very, very important chapter. Definitely question will come, sir. 10 marks. Second chapter, activity based costing. Time allocated 2 hours. This chapter is very, very important. So definitely will come 10 marks question, sir. So please thoroughly prepare, sir. Next. Third, material cost. Time allocated 1.5 hours, sir. All problems on EOQ on stock levels, inventory turnover ratio, pricing issue methods, ABC analysis. Priority 2, sir, raw material valuation. Priority 3, sir, inventory stock out problems. Next, fourth one, sir, employee cost control. Allotted time 1.5 hour. In this segment, priority 1, first priority, wage payment and incentives like time rate system, piece rate system, premium bonus methods like wholesale premium bonus and Rowan premium bonus, and also prepare labor turnover rates, very, very important. Next, second priority, sir, idle time treatment problems, sir. Third priority, problems, treatment of overtime wages. Fifth one, sir, overheads chapter. Time allocated 1.5 hours, sir. So in this segment, first priority, allocation and apportionment of overheads, that is primary distribution and secondary distribution. Treatment of underabsorbed or overabsorbed in cost accounting. Next, very, very important concept, mission overhead, sir. So these are priority 1. Next, second priority, computation of percentage recovery rates of factory overheads and administrative overheads. In priority 3, sir, controlling of selling and distribution overheads. Next. So sixth one, sir, standard costing chapter. So it's a very interesting chapter, sir. Time allowed for this chapter equal to 1.5 hours, sir. Standard costing terminology, time allowed for this chapter 1.5 hour. So in this segment, priority 1, material variances, labor variances, comprehensive problems on all elements. Second priority, sir, missing values in material variances, missing values in labor variances. Third priority, variable overhead variances. Next one, seventh one, marginal costing, sir, 2.5 hours. Allotted time 2.5 hours, sir. 2.5 hours. Right. Very, very important chapter. All problems on BEP, PV ratio, margin of safety. When desired profit is given, calculate desired sales amount. When desired profit is given, calculate desired sales quantity. Sometimes desired sales given desired profit calculation. Next, quotation, least price quotation, indifference point, overall BEP. Second priority, profit calculation in absorption costing method, calculation of shutdown point, profit calculation in marginal costing. Problem in third priority, sir, problem on limiting factor. Problems on limiting factor. Next one, process costing. Time allowed for this chapter, sir, 2 hours. In first priority, Preparation of process accounts without inventory levels. So that means there is no work in progress. Valuation of work in process under FIFO and weighted average methods. Next, inter-process accounts, sir. Second priority, reverse calculation under FIFO method. Third priority, 2 raw material concept problems under FIFO method. Next one. 10th one, sir, service costing. Time allowed 1.5 hours. First priority, sir, passenger transportation costing, goods transportation costing, hotel costing, costing for insurance companies. This is the priority 1. Second priority, sir, information technology enabled service, toll roads, education institutions for costing. In third priority, financial institutions, costing for powerhouses, costing for canteen. Next, 11th one, sir, contract costing. Time allowed for this chapter 1 hour, sir. In priority 1, prepare contract account problems. In priority 2, problems on escalation clause. In priority 3, calculation of estimated total profit. Next, 12th one, job costing. Time allowed just half an hour. In priority 1, determination of selling price of a job. That's all. Next, 13th, unit and batch costing. This is the miscellaneous chapter, sir. Time allowed just half an hour. In priority 1, calculate economic batch quantity. In priority 2, determination of cost and selling price of given output. In third priority, calculation of cost per batch. So here one important note, sir. In the above table, for the first 9 chapters are easy to prepare and will cover 55 to 65 marks, sir. If you start with difficulty topics, it may not be completed quickly, and it may decrease our confidence of revision of entire subject within time, and hence recommended to be prepared first. So it is wise to start answering the exam paper with the above topics, because the chance of committing mistakes is less in these chapters. And as a result, you can write the first 55 to 65 marks very well and get a good impression from valuers. So next, part 3, sir. Can I leave theory question as a choice in cost and management accounting? In the public exam, one can leave theory question as a choice, as they will be recovered in the last question only. Last question. But what will happen if you get some tough problems and you are not in a position to answer any of such problems? Just imagine the situation if theory questions are spread in multiple questions rather than a single question. In the above 2 situations, you must answer ready to answer theory question. Okay. Don't forget that this is a professional course. In the public exam, give first priority to problems, but in the above situation, give priority to theory questions. In other words, attempt theory question as a last resort. In the following chapters, prepare A and B category theory questions from theory material. Introduction to cost and management accounting. Number 2, cost accounting systems. Number 3, marginal costing. Number 4, budgetary control. The remaining chapters, prepare A category theory questions from theory material. Allot the last 2 hours of your preparation for theory questions. All the best. Thank you.